Explain to our audience what insurance tech, insurtech is.
Insurance is one of the largest industries in the world. We're looking at a $5 trillion industry. And I'm not sure if you know, but there's a protection gap. So uninsured risk that should be insured of another 20 trillion. So we're looking at a total target market of $25 trillion, one of the largest markets in the world. And it's untapped by technology. There's huge potential. Banking has been disrupted. Insurance is up next.
You know, this has been, and I will say this about insurance, Julian, whatever people think about it, personally or corporate-wise, it is a tough industry to crack. I mean, they are deeply ingrained. These are big players. Some of them literally have been in business for hundreds of years. What's the secret to kind of breaking in to that sort of old school club?
Insurance is, as you say, one of the most crisis-resistant industries in the world. I like to say, you know, insurance companies are the oldest companies in the world, only second to breweries. So only beer seems to be more crisis resistant than insurance. And there's a huge potential in terms of disrupting that entire industry that's stuck in the pre-internet era on a global scale with technology, the way we do it. And you've rightly mentioned, last year we had a record-breaking Series C round of $650 million. And now we're just announcing a Series D round that values the company at $4.5 billion. And we're not just in a large market. We're not just in a crisis-resistant market. We are, with our business model, super crisis-resistant. Because what we said as WeFox is, we're not going to eliminate the human agent. We are going to empower the human agent with technology. 9 out of 10 insurance policies are sold via the human agent globally. And our approach not only lets our business grow faster than any insurtech in the world, we also grow at superior unit economics. We have no customer acquisition costs up front. So we're not spending up front. We're not burning cash. We're earning money on the first dollar back within 6 months. And we are on a path to profitability much faster than anyone else. Faster growth plus better profitability, and technology as the engine to support global expansion. That's the secret to reinvent insurance.
Yeah, but I want to get your comment, Julian, on what we've been talking about now, and at least on this program for about 9 months, of that Europe's energy woes. You're an insurance, digital insurance company, but you still use a lot of power, given that you've got to run all your apps and probably data centers and stuff. What's it like being in Germany right now, given the high cost of utilities, the power? Does that impact you at all? And just on a macro level, as a CEO, how does it impact your thinking?
So as insurance is very crisis resistant, it doesn't impact the business. In fact, if there's an economic downturn, people spend more on insurance rather than less. The only thing that we're seeing in terms of insurance being impacted by the downturn is fraud going up. But this is something that we've been preparing for. We've been investing more than the peers in fraud detection technology, so we're hedged against that risk. Our decision now with the new funding, instead of leaning back and being defensive like most other technology startups in the world, we're going all in. We're seeing this crisis as an opportunity to grow our business and become the clear winner after this crisis.